Today we are practicing Catwalk 2 or Tai Chi Walking 2. Let's just dive right in as we shift the weight to the right. Fully. Lift up our empty left foot. Place it over. Heel down. 50-50. I'm going to continue shifting my weight over to the left. Step in, step out, roll forward, roll back. Turn the body, turn the foot. Weight forward. Step in, step out, forward and back. Turn, up, in, out, forward and back. Micro adjustments so it feels good. Inhale, exhale. And now we have to walk back. Feet parallel, 50-50. Shift the weight to the left. Turn out the right. Inhale. Exhale. Breathing in. Breathing out. Breathing in. Breathing out. Back. And forth. In. And out. Walking back. Shifting, stepping in, tapping if you need to, stepping out, comfortable distance, rolling forward, rolling back, turn, up, in, out, forward, back, turn, up, in, out, forward. Adjust the rear heel if you need to shift your weight back, to turn, to come forward, in, out, forward, back, turn, up, out, feet parallel. Let's go back, shifting our weight, bringing our foot in, stepping out. Exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, breathing out, breathing in, breathing out. Breathing in, exhale, inhale. Now silently. Thank you for joining me.